Trying this tiny banana. Sa amin ang tawag Señorita. I don't think you will see it in Australia, or maybe there is, but it's very rare. Okay. Ito yung mas matamis na klase ng banana. Right, sweet eh?
Yummy.
Nagustuhan ni Lucas, oh.
Hello guys! Hello mga kabags! This is our last 2 days here in Bali, and this time naman susubukan nating mag-photoshoot. So feeling artista kami today.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ready?
Look at the camera. Now it's Isla's turn.
At syempre, papatalo ba kami? Parang prenup lang ulit.
Hey there.
Akala ko normal na ano lang to, photoshoot, ano pala, parang prenup yung package kasama sa hotel package. Marami palang kuha. Feeling ko there's a catch. So ang ibibigay lang sa'yo na free photo mga 3. Kasi may babayaran mo na. Hindi ko pa alam. Let's check it out later kung ano mangyayari. Siyempre pag magaganda yun, napipilitan ka nang bumili. Pero hindi ko pa alam. Tingnan natin mamaya. So yan, I just realized something. Hindi pwede mag-artista tong mga anak ko. Yan, masyado silang mareklamo. We are now in the studio waiting for our photos. And yes, tama ako mga kabags. So there's only one free photo. And the rest, if you like it, you have to pay extra for that. But to be fair, it's much cheaper compared to Australia. And you can actually get all of the soft copy of the photos if you want to for an extra or a package price.
And these are the results of the photo shoot.
After photoshoot, ito muna sila. Nasa game room. While waiting for them to be hungry. Kasi busog pa kami. We had a heavy lunch. Dahil relax day kami ngayon, napagod na mga kids in touring. We're just gonna hang around the hotel and ito, magbibilyar kami ni Mrs. Tutuhugin ko muna siya. Again, round 2.
After gaming, time for a quick snack. At dito lang kami sa Starbucks, katabi lang yan ng aming hotel.
So maganda ang Starbucks dito sa Bali. At least dito sa pwesto na malapit sa Kuta Beach. Kasi hindi crowded at hindi puno yung tao. Hindi rin pila kagaya sa Tokyo, Japan. It's very crowded down there. At ang hirap kumuha ng kape. Pero dito is just laid back. And Ella wants chocolate. And you will taste it later, Ella?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Can taste? Ayla's better. Okay.
Ayla, how do you like it? Ayla,
Ayla's tastes really good.
can you taste?
Ayla, that's the strawberry one.
Is it good, Ayla?
The strawberry one. If you put it, it's real good.
Ayla, is it good?
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, mine's very good. I'm mixing mine now.
Can you taste?
Ayla's is actually really good.
Nice?
Mommy, I don't want the chocolate.
Go. Good? Oh, cream. Tikman natin yung kay Ayla. So, chocolate croissant with cream cheese.
It's a cream cheese.
Wow!
Yeah.
Sarap!
Daddy, can you cut something like this?
Ang sarap!
Can you cut it?
May I take?
It's the stains.
Yeah.
Now, let's try this one.
When you mix it, it tastes.
Sarap din. Ito naman yung regular cheese croissant. Pero lalagyan ko siya ng whipped cream. Very strong yung flavor ng cheese. Chocolate cake na meron din whipped cream. So nice.
After light snack, we're back in the pool at dito kami magpapakapagod hanggang dinner. Dinner time, dito kami sa place called Yoshinoya.
Try naman natin itong famous na Yoshinoya.
Mommy, what's this?
Malamis-lamis siya.
Mayo
Na beef.
with ketchup.
Para siyang ginagawa natin, Bobs. Yung
Mommy, do I order that?
Yeah, it's included.
ginagawa natin na inahalo sa ano. Ganun na lasa. Yeah. Nagustuhan ni Lucas, pati yung noodles nagustuhan niya. So you like the chicken?
Yeah.
I love to. Wow. Uy,
And that's how we spend our day. In the morning, panibagong activity naman at adventure. This time, susubukan naman ng mga kids mag-wall climbing.
You can hold the rope when you go down only. Alright? So make sure your hands must be up higher than your head. Just grab the highest rope, yeah?
stay here. Wait, ate first. Galing ni ate ah.
Tugas ko yan?
Hold it up now, hold it up in your hand. Yes.
You remember that?
Okay. What Lucas can do.
Go,
Okay,
Kuya.
so remember rope in the middle between your hand, right? Yeah. Step up. Good.
Big Spider-Man galing ah. Uy.
Yeah. Look up. Move your hand up higher.
Oh. Again.
Try again.
Last.
Try again.
You look up. Oh, which one you will?
Step on the stone.
Step on the stone.
Step on the stone.
Step on the rock.
Step on the rock.
Yeah.
Go, you can do it, Kuya.
Okay. Let's look here. Then the whole group. Say right foot up. Okay, step properly and get the highest. Yes, good. Okay, left foot up. Left foot. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Lucas, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Good try.
You're still small.
After that, binisita naman namin ang mall na ito which is just close to our hotel. Dahil nga tourist area ang lugar na ito, the mall is full of branded stores. Tapos ang design kakaiba kasi yung mga pathway is hindi air conditioned and mostly outdoor except for the actual stores.
Sarap, meron siyang cream cheese.
At dahil bata ang mga kasama namin, first stop is the Candyland. Dito naman sa level 3 ay ang food court. And as you can see, ang mall ay tapat lang siya ng Kuta Beach. For lunch, just a light snack na binili namin sa grocery, and the proper dinner is dito sa Sushi Hero.
How is it, sir?
You will never have my phone.
No, mommy.
It's yummy.
Opa, Waldo.
Ito, this one, oh. It's not yucky. Kuya, oh. 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 You put sauce. Huh?
Okay, it's good.
Hey, yucky. Kuya is Oh, a little bit cold. A little
Before ending the day, binisita namin ang Kuta Beach to have one last look at panoorin ng sunset. And as you can see, medyo maraming kalat ngayon kasi hapon na. Hopefully in the future, ang mga tourists ay mas maging mindful so that we can preserve the beauty of this place at maabutan pa ng future generations. And that's the Kuta Beach here in Bali. That's how we end our tour. I'll see you next time. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in our next gala or holiday. God bless everyone. From Bali, signing out.
Papalipasin lang natin yung araw. And one last look to Kuta in Bali Beach. I don't know if we can come back in the future, but it was a good trip, a very good trip.
Hey Lucas, Ayla, we're going back to Australia now. Wake up.
Lucas.
We're going back to Australia.